Hello and welcome to the Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find and how to check IMEI number in our Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. To check IMEI number, we have to go to settings. So options here, settings. Then we need to scroll all the way down until we can see about phone option here. Now we simply tap it once, and here we have our IMEI numbers. We have dual SIM telephone, so we have two numbers, one for every SIM card slot. That was easy to find in about phone options. That is all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.